Did you know that the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has been circling the Moon for more than a decade? This fascinating spacecraft has been meticulously studying our nearest celestial neighbor, unraveling mysteries and making groundbreaking discoveries about the Moon's geology, the presence of water ice, and so much more. Its findings are paving the way for future lunar exploration and possible habitation. So buckle up and get ready to be moonstruck, because we're about to count down the top 10 discoveries from this amazing spacecraft. Stay with us as we count down the top 10 discoveries from this amazing spacecraft. At number 10, we have the detailed maps of lunar topography. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, with its advanced instruments, has created high-resolution maps that have changed our perception of the Moon's surface. Imagine the Moon as an unknown world, full of craters, mountains, and valleys. Now, thanks to the orbiter, we can visualize it with clarity and precision. This isn't just a case of cosmic cartography. These maps are more than just detailed images. They're tools for future exploration. They provide crucial data for planning safe landing sites for future missions and potential locations for lunar bases. They give us a deeper understanding of the Moon's geological history and the processes that have shaped it. This data also helps us identify areas where water ice might exist, a key resource for future human habitation. These maps have transformed our understanding of the Moon's surface. Coming in at number 9, we have the discovery of lunar pits. A lunar pit, for those who might be wondering, is a natural depression or hole in the surface of the Moon. These pits aren't just regular craters, but rather, they're gaping holes that lead into the dark underworld of the Moon. Now, how do these lunar pits form, you may ask? Well, scientists speculate that they are formed from underground lava tubes. Think of it as a hollow tunnel formed by flowing lava, which has since solidified and left a void. These pits are more than just fascinating geological features. They hold immense potential for future lunar exploration and habitation. Imagine, these pits could shield astronauts from harmful solar radiation, extreme lunar temperatures, and micrometeorite impacts. So as we gaze upon the Moon, we might just be looking at our future homes. These pits could potentially serve as lunar homes in the future. If you're enjoying this countdown, remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Your interaction fuels the rocket that propels us further into the cosmic depths, uncovering more lunar mysteries. Together, we'll keep exploring. Now, back to our countdown. With number 8 and 7, we delve deeper into the lunar mysteries the orbiter has uncovered. Our 8th finding from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter is the intriguing presence of lunar swirls. These are intricate patterns on the Moon's surface, curving and twisting in ways that have left scientists scratching their heads for decades. Upon closer inspection by the orbiter, these swirls appear to be a result of the Moon's magnetic field interacting with solar wind, a stream of charged particles emitted by the Sun. This is more than just a fascinating aesthetic phenomenon. It has implications for how we understand the Moon's magnetic field and its interaction with the Sun. Moving on to the 7th revelation from the orbiter, it's all about lunar dust. Yes, that's right, dust. It's not just an annoyance for moonwalkers, but a crucial aspect of lunar geology. The orbiter has discovered that this dust is electrostatically levitated above the Moon's surface. This means the dust is lifted into a sort of dust atmosphere by the solar wind. The electrostatic dust can pose a challenge to future lunar missions, as it can stick to just about everything, including spacecraft and astronaut suits. But it's not all bad news. Understanding this phenomenon can help us develop strategies to mitigate the effects of lunar dust on future missions. These two discoveries have far-reaching implications for lunar exploration. The understanding of lunar swirls could lead to new insights into the Moon's magnetic field and its interaction with the Sun. This knowledge could potentially be used to protect future astronauts from harmful solar radiation. On the other hand, the discovery of electrostatically levitated dust could help us prepare better for the challenges faced during lunar landings and habitation. These discoveries continue to expand our understanding of the Moon. They remind us that even our closest celestial neighbor still has secrets to reveal, and that the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter continues to be an invaluable tool in uncovering them. Moving on to number 6 and 5, the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter's findings get even more fascinating. At number 6, we delve into the mystery of the moon's magnetic field. The moon doesn't have a global magnetic field in the present day, but the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter has detected regions with magnetized rocks. These rocks are a clear indication that the moon once had a molten core, which could generate a magnetic field, just like Earth's. This discovery not only sheds light on the moon's past, but also opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for future lunar missions. Could these magnetic anomalies affect future lunar landings or rovers? Only time will tell. Now let's step into the 5th discovery. Brace yourself for this one, it's a game changer. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter detected evidence of water ice on the moon. Yes, you heard it right, water on the moon. These findings were concentrated at the lunar poles, where the sun's rays don't reach. This discovery was monumental. Water is a critical resource for human survival, and finding it on the moon opens the door for potential lunar habitation in the future. Imagine the possibilities. Instead of carrying water from Earth, future lunar explorers could use this water for drinking, growing food, or even breaking it down into hydrogen and oxygen for rocket fuel. This could significantly reduce the cost of lunar missions and make long-term habitation feasible. The presence of water ice on the moon also raises another tantalizing question. How did it get there? Is it a result of cometary impacts, or could it be formed in some other way? The answer to this question could change our understanding of the moon and even the solar system. So there you have it. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter's 6th and 5th discoveries, revealing the moon's magnetic past and the presence of water ice. These findings have not only transformed our understanding of our celestial neighbor, but have also laid the groundwork for the future of lunar exploration. These findings have truly revolutionized lunar science. At number 4 and 3, we have some of the most groundbreaking discoveries yet. The 4th discovery is that lunar dust, also known as regolith, has a surprising property. It's electrically charged. This phenomenon is due to the constant bombardment of solar winds that the moon endures. This discovery has significant implications for future lunar missions, as it affects everything from astronaut safety to the way spacecrafts will need to be designed. Moving on to number 3, we find another fascinating revelation. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter found evidence of water ice on the moon's surface. This is no small discovery. The existence of water ice on the moon opens up a world of possibilities for future lunar exploration and habitation. It could potentially provide a source of drinking water for astronauts, and could even be used to produce rocket fuel. These 2 discoveries have fundamentally reshaped our understanding of the moon. The electrically charged lunar dust forces us to reconsider how we approach lunar exploration, taking into account the unique challenges it poses. The existence of water ice, on the other hand, brings us one step closer to the dream of establishing a human presence on the moon. As we unveil the mysteries of our closest celestial neighbor, we are reminded of the vastness and complexity of the universe that surrounds us. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter continues to astound us with its findings. Finally, at number 2 and 1, we have the most significant discoveries from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. Sitting at number 2 is the groundbreaking discovery of lunar swirls. These enchanting, curling patterns scattered across the moon's surface were once an enigma. But thanks to the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, we now understand that these swirls are the result of the moon's magnetic field interacting with the solar wind. This realization has not only unlocked answers about the moon's past, but also paved the way for future explorations to other celestial bodies. And the top discovery, the one that has truly revolutionized lunar science: water ice on the moon. Yes, you heard it right. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter detected signs of frozen water in the moon's polar regions. This discovery is monumental. It means that one day, lunar explorers might be able to use this water for drinking and to create breathable air and rocket fuel. Imagine the possibilities. This could drastically reduce the resources needed for future lunar missions and even open the doors for long-term lunar habitation. These discoveries, the enigmatic lunar swirls and the invaluable water ice, have not only expanded our knowledge of the moon, but have also ignited a new era in lunar exploration. These discoveries have truly transformed our understanding of the moon. And there we have it. the top 10 discoveries from the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. These findings, from lunar topography to the presence of water ice, have revolutionized our understanding, paving the way for future exploration and habitation. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter continues to unveil the mysteries of our closest celestial neighbor.